Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to export to AutoCAD. So we have these example 3D models, and if you want to export into AutoCAD, you can go to File menu, click on Export, and then choose 3D model. The next will be show for the export models dialog box, and in here you can save the names. Don't forget to change for the save as type into AutoCAD DWG file, or the other version you also can set into 3ds file. But if you use this option, you need to import from the AutoCAD. So I will use the AutoCAD DWG file, and after it you can click export, and after finish you can open the file into AutoCAD. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial how to export to AutoCAD. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.